Excel agents, AI agents.
You're going to be the first generation that is transforming this industry with AI. It's not about man versus machine. It's about man with the machine.
It really shows the potential of the agentic era in audit.
They need to embrace it, and it's something to be proud of.
Looks absolutely incredible.
I think makes it a really, really powerful tool.
Yeah.
I think it's a fantastic tool and it keeps getting better.
And I want to invite you all to build the future together with us.